Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos, videos and chats on Snapchat. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Snapchat application and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Here you have to scroll all the way down and tap on this My Data option, the second last. So when you are here, you can see these options: export HTML files, export your memory chats, whatever you want. You can toggle these on. Then your chat history, spotlight, shopping, all these things. You have to tap on this next here, and now you can select the time duration. Like I'm going for this all time here. It will auto detect your email. If your email is in Snapchat, then tap on this submit here. Now you can see export progress. Snapchat is creating a copy files. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So it will email you when the export is done, and then what you have to do is, from that email you just have to download your Snapchat data, and the all time data will be downloaded in your mobile, like your photos, videos, chats and everything. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.